Now that we have determined the ideal number of spottings that we have to do on the TLC plate to get nice spots, we are ready to analyze our unknown. Remember, I took a few drops of the unknown in this fifth pink vial. We also have 4 standards in the first 4 pink vials. I have taken a fresh TLC plate. You can use the same piece of paper, except this time these numbers will refer to a particular standard that you are applying on that spot. So, in your book, if you want to make a table indicating that probably spot 1 would be due to ferrocene, spot 2 due to 4-nitroaniline, etc., it is a good idea to make a table like that. Or if you want to write the names of the standards right here on top of the numbers, that is also fine. So, see which way works for you and do it in that fashion. Now, what I want to do is start applying the samples. Again, remember, the samples should be applied about a centimeter away from the bottom edge. So, what you want to do is apply standard 1 here, and if you selected 2 times application as the ideal application, you want to touch the capillary twice of standard 1 there, and using a different capillary dedicated solely to standard 2, you apply standard 2 here, whichever standard, that standard 2 you are going to choose on spot number 2 here, apply it twice, and in the same fashion apply 4 standards. On the spot that I have labeled 5, I would like to apply my unknown. So, take your unknown and touch the capillary twice where it is labeled 5. Notice that these labelings are not marked on the plate. We do not want to etch away the silica coating on the plate. So, once you have finished applying the standards and the unknown onto the TLC plate, you will develop this plate in the same fashion that you developed the plate on which you are trying to determine the ideal number of application of the compound. So, you will take this plate, insert it in the developing jar and watch the solvent move along the plate and wait till the solvent reaches about a centimeter away from the top edge on the plate, and then take it out and mark the solvent front right away. What will you be able to see on this particular plate? Spot 1 is due to a particular standard. So, there should be only one spot. What about spot 2? Again, spot 2 is also due to a particular standard. So, you should be able to see only one spot along that line as well. Similarly, spots 3 and 4 should give you only one spot. However, these spots may be at different portions along the plate, or in other words different RF values. You all know what RF values mean. The spots may have moved further or nearer depending on the polarities of the compound. Now, coming to spot 5, which was due to the unknown, you may notice that this sample unknown 5 gave either only one spot, or there may be 2 spots, or there may be more than 2 spots. It all depends on how many components are present in your unknown. So, notice the plate and mark all the spots that you were able to see after developing the plate in this developing chamber. And once you have finished doing that, you will have to do a confirmatory plate, and I will shortly explain what to do with this confirmatory plate.